Yo, before I get started into this video, just a quick shout out to my friend Josh here. He recently showed me an edit with my voice tag on it, and it just did not sound good at all. I sound really muffled actually, and of course, me hearing my voice is already cringe enough. So I offered to do this instead. So if you're seeing this, Josh, which I hope you are, because I made this specifically for you, I don't know, pay attention, I guess. Probably gonna forget any of this anyway, but let's get started. So first, I import my clips here. I import, not my clips, but my sound effects and my song. So for this specific tutorial, I won't go into depth about anything. I'm just showing you the basics of audio editing. Now this is just for anime edits, just to like spice it up a little bit. It doesn't have to necessarily sound good, it just needs to like fit the mood, if that makes sense. So here I go and find the part I want. By the way, this is a voiceover, so I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I mark where I want to edit, and then I go to the end. I cut that using S. I mark with M, by the way. I cut both sides, and so this layer is going to be where I started. So of course I got my sound effect to like transition out of it so it doesn't sound too bad. But we're mostly focusing on reverb and smooth / enhance. It's probably my two favorite effects to use when editing audio. So you see here I put two of smooth and enhance. You don't, what I do in here, you don't have to necessarily copy. But basically smooth sounds like it kind of sounds like you're outside, you know? It sounds like you're listening to the music from the outside. So that's just regular, and now I'm going to show you with the effects on. It sounds like muffled, you know? And of course, enhance does the exact opposite. With enhance, it sounds a bit more crisp. And I'm just playing with stuff here. So going into reverb, modulation is kind of like how much reverb you want. Of course, the dampening is like the wet and the dry, and the time is how much you want it to like echo. I don't know much about it, but this is all I know for it so far. And of course, size is just basically the room size, how much echo is produced. I think, as I said, I don't know much about it, but I hope you found this tutorial helpful, Josh specifically. Yeah, I'm not going to do an outro because I have no time for that, so see you later.